Run create accounting program to transfer and post GL journals from Oracle Fusion PPM Cloud to Oracle Fusion General Accounting Cloud. So this is fairly straightforward process. So I'm going to go back to Fusion Cloud, and those of you who have just joined us, I'm on release 13 version 21D of Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications, which is presently the latest version. So I'm going to close this, and you see this was the transaction I was referring to in the previous lesson that we have imported from Oracle Fusion Time and Labor module. You see this is the transaction source, and the submission is from Bobby Regan for 8 hours time or 7.5 hours time. And now since there is no accounting, we will create an accounting. If you click on accounting, nothing will happen. So accounting isn't created as yet. So we have to submit the create accounting program to create the accounting. Now I'm going to click the done button, come out of this, and then I'm going to go to the task manager and then go to create accounting hyperlink. Can you see that? So you click on this one and then you choose the ledger. So in our case it's Progress US Primary Ledger, and optionally you choose the business unit, so Progress US Business Unit, and then you choose the end date. So let's say today's date, because that's the date we have processed the transaction. And process mode is final. You can also choose a draft mode so that you can view the accounting and then later on run the accounting in final post. And process errors only no, and report style make it in detail, and transfer to general ledger, say yes, I want to transfer it to GL, and then I want to post it to GL, say yes. And you can optionally give a batch name in GL if you like. I'm going to leave it, but you can enter any XYZ name if you like. And then lastly include user transaction identifier, so I would say yes. So basically the source of transaction identifiers, whether you want to show it in GL or not. So all that I want to show so that I can clearly identify the source of the transaction coming from Oracle Fusion PPM Cloud connected to Oracle Fusion Time and Labor timesheet. Once you've done that, hit the submit button to submit this program. Hit the OK button, and now you basically have to look at the program that you've just submitted. So what I would do is I would simply go to my hamburger menu, scroll down to tools, and then go to schedule processes to see the status of the program that we just submitted for create accounting. Basically the create accounting program will submit a number of child programs, and this Progress US Primary Ledger has got a number of secondary ledgers as well. So basically it will spawn child programs such as create accounting and then post subledger entries to the GL, and it will do that for all the ledgers and secondary ledgers associated with the primary ledgers. Okay, so if there are two secondary ledgers, the same child programs will run for two secondary ledgers. So let's wait for a while to have this completed. You see now it is running the child program. Finally it is running the create accounting execution report, which it is completed. So I'm going to click on this one and I'm going to look at its output, which is right at the bottom. So labor cost is 3. This is what I was interested in. So there are 3 days of time I have submitted via timesheet on behalf of Bobby Regan. This is what it's showing, and where all it is posting those journals to Progress US Primary Ledger and the secondary ledger associated. And these are the failed journals from other transactions, so don't worry about this. So at this time we are pretty much done. So what we have to do next is go to general accounting and look at the journals imported from Oracle PPM Cloud in general accounting there, along with their associated journal batches and transaction links.